we've got the living room, open plan, and sliding doors to the patio. And we've got the second living room or dining room, obviously they're interchangeable. You can choose how to do it. Very private, all the windows are looking into the garden and everything is just looking nice and green. Nice sliding doors to the patio and plenty of space for your furniture and additional cupboards. And then we've got the kitchen, extra cupboards, and space for 3 appliances around the corner. Into the scullery section. And there's a small courtyard which is right in front of the entrance of the house. So it's nice and private again with a and there you have it. Cozy, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom and a toilet house in Morningside Manor. The garden is not large, but it's very cozy and very low maintenance. A lot of the paving and then beautiful flower beds. Very nice private patio and space enough for your doggies to run around, because they can also reach towards the front courtyard and the single garage. And then there's a front section as well, with the courtyard section as well. So there's actually plenty of space for your pets and for your children if you have children to run around. Very cute.